Hi, I am going to show you Billmade POS, which is an offline application POS that is also integrated with the NetSuite Cloud ERP. As of now, we know the retail sector has the biggest problem for internet connections in their store. So this offline Billmade application will also help you to integrate with the NetSuite Cloud ERP whenever internet connection available on the store. In this application, we are integrating the master data and transactions with NetSuite ERP. From NetSuite to Billmade we are passing items, item pricing, tax group, locations, unit of measure, promotion, discount, payment terms. From Billmade to NetSuite, we are passing inventory adjustment, invoicing, customer payment, return authorization, item receipt, credit memo, work order, billed order and unbilled order and transfer inventory, which we are also implemented. This application also helps the user to make flawless invoicing for the customers, even though the store has internet connections or not. Whenever internet comes to the stores, that data will go to Cloud ERP, and it will auto-sync with that on the Cloud ERP. Let me demonstrate to you how the application works. This is application Billmade shortcut available on desktop. Double-click on this. This application is supported on single terminal and multiple terminals as well. If the store has multiple terminals, this application also supports that. Type your email ID or username and password at your login screen and press login button. So this is the main screen which is coming on the tab basis POS terminal, which means Billmade has also touch enable features. From here we can go on customers, items, inventory adjustment, discount, promotions and reward points in one click. First things we are focusing on new sales, which are very important screen on the POS level. While we are invoicing for the customer, here is a custom field. You click on this and select customer on this, and user can also search customers by phone number and email ID. Here is the item field, click on it and select the items or products that we are using for invoicing. We can also search items on the basis of barcode. After that, just set the quantity, and if you want to apply taxes and the discount on the item you can make it, then select the payment mode and then click on save and print. Here we go, we can print this invoice in two ways. One is the receipt at the 80mm size and the other we can also print an A4 size. Let me show you how we can print the A4 size invoice. So go to invoice list and select the transaction number, then select on A4 size and print, so the same invoice is available for print on A4 size. In NetSuite, we can search the same invoice via transaction number. Select the transaction number and copy and paste it to the NetSuite search. Whenever you make an invoice in Billmade POS, we'll create a payment for that at some time in Billmade POS and pass to the NetSuite. As you see how this is the item on the invoice and also payment for the invoice. Clicking on refresh, now you can see paid in full status in NetSuite invoice. Now click on payment, then click on payment number, which you can also search on NetSuite. Yes, this is the invoice number. And now we have also set up module where we are managing business information. Here whatever the information is set in business information that will come on the invoice. Billmade POS also supports multiple locations, inventory management, transactions and all. And here is tax code. Just click on the NetSuite import button. It will import all taxes available on NetSuite Cloud ERP to Billmade. Now the same thing with the employee. You can create an employee in NetSuite will automatically coming into Billmade. To create an employee in NetSuite, go to list, employee and new. Fill the information like name, email ID, mobile number, address, designation, etc. Just tick on sales representative. And now set the type to regular employee. Now click on save. The same employee comes to Billmade automatically. But for real-time integration, we have to press the NetSuite import button. For unit of measures, whatever we have created in the NetSuite account will automatically come to Billmade for real-time integration. Click on NetSuite import. There are marketing and promotions. Whatever promotion created in NetSuite will come into Billmade. Discount, and we have also standard reports for invoicing and sales like detailed invoice reports, customized invoice reports, unpaid invoice reports, item return reports, shift sales reports, customer advance reports, invoice item-wise reports, tax collection reports, stock reports and all. Whatever standard report that we are using on the sales side, all are available in Billmade POS. And now let me show how Billmade adjust inventory form POS to NetSuite. Go to inventory adjustment. Select item. Location, it will show you multiple locations. Select location where you want to adjust inventory. Now select quantity. Here you can also select an item using barcode on this screen. Click on Finish. In this transaction we adjusted quantity for lamp. You can also see in Billmade at one of the locations adjusted quantity. Same quantity adjusted in NetSuite. Here you can see at the location it will show you the adjusted quantity. Now invoice details on sales. Suppose customers come to the store to return some items from the invoice, then we will go to return authorization and search invoice by transaction number or via customer name and just fill the return quantity. Now pass the description. Here transaction status is pending receipt and this is a non-posting transaction. In the same transaction, you can search on NetSuite via transaction number. I will show your letter. When you click on receive it will show you another screen where you will select the item and add the quantity to receive. Just make sure the item return authorization number will reflect on NetSuite also and how it looks like. This is return authorization status pending receipt which is come from Billmade POS. Now we will make receipt for that. Click on save. Now receipt is generated and we can also print A4 size receipt from here and we can also print roller also for the same receipt. You can search on NetSuite via transaction number. In the return authorization click on the refresh of NetSuite. Now it will show pending to refund. Now let me show you in Billmade POS how can we make a refund for the returned item. Go to return authorization, click on refund. So we will give a refund in two ways. First we create a credit memo of return that can apply on sales and second we can also create cash refund. Let me show you how it works. This is one way that will generate a credit memo in Billmade and it will pass the same memo to the NetSuite. So now you can apply this invoice when you are making sales or you can cash refund for the memo. Let me show you how we can apply on sales invoice. Click on sales and new sales. Select the customer and the credit memo will come with the respective of customer into the sales screen. So that you will apply it on the invoice by clicking on it. I'll show you how to do it. Credit memo to the invoice. Take an item and add quantity. For now the total amount is 6,000. Now select payment mode to cash and it will show you 4,000 payable cash amount because we already for a cash refund. Go to credit memo list, double click on credit memo number and click on cash refund and press save button so a cash refund is applied. And credit memo status changes to fully applied. And same customer refund passed to the NetSuite. Let me show you. You can check that cash refund is applied in NetSuite. Just refresh the screen of credit memo and now you can see its status is fully applied. You can see here on the relationship tab we will see customer refund is done for the particular memo. This cash refund done by Billmade POS. So this is the basic flow of sales and return for Billmade POS integrated with NetSuite and we have also various types of reports for the sale. This is a dashboard that shows sales in graph, top sales item in a month, invoice report in month. Thank you very much to being with us.